It is day 6 of the Good Ink summer camp, and I'm gonna take you guys behind the scenes. Here we go. All right, guys, like I said, day 6 of the Good Ink summer camp. Things are winding down. Our last 2 days. No daytime activation today. We did have something planned that ended up falling through a couple weeks ago for this day, so I wasn't able to fill it with anything else. But yeah, it's kind of nice for me to have a little bit of a break. I didn't have anything to do today, so I was able to catch up on some stuff. Spent a ton of time trying to get models for tonight. It's been a real struggle, man. We ended up changing locations. We didn't have a ton of models booked for tonight. We changed locations, which ended up resulting in us losing some of the models we did have. So that's been a struggle, man. I'm hoping we can get 4 to 5 models. We have a pretty good size studio space, so I'd hate for it to just be empty. So we'll see. We shall see. There's still time left in the day to kind of see where things end up. But really cool studio. It's Imported Studios near downtown. I actually haven't been here or been there, so I'm excited to check it out. They have a really cool like living room kind of setup. A green room with a bunch of like green carpet, green plants, all kind of green things, a big cyc wall, kind of a true studio space and like a warehouse. So yeah, it'll be good to finally get over there and check it out. It'll be cool to get in there, get some shots. Hopefully we end up with a pretty solid group. Either way, man, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna do what we do. We're gonna create, and if I have to step in and be a model, then I will, you know. I'm sure everyone will love that. But yeah, looking forward to another good day. Getting tired, starting to wear me down. But like I said, once I'm out there and I'm in the studio and I'm creating and hanging out with everybody, that's the fun part. The hard part is like, you know, leaving the family and leaving home and like, man, I just kind of want to stay with the fam and relax today. Got to push through, man. Day 6, looking forward to one more day as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. Here we go. all I can say is, wow, that was incredible. That's a wrap for day 6 at Imported Studios. That was awesome, man. Like, I honestly was stressing earlier. We had one model earlier today at 6 o'clock. Didn't know if I was going to be able to pull it off. That was awesome. That ended up being great. Big shout out to the models that did show up. Shout out to everybody that was just patient with me through the whole process. Like, everybody really shined today, man. Like, I showed up there. There was like 12 people already there waiting. We were there for like 15 minutes before an actual model showed up. And just kind of slowly as the day went on, more models started showing up. And we pulled it off, man. We had some great people come out. Ended up with like 7 or 8 different models, which is honestly shocking. So big shout out to all of them that came through. Such kind of a last minute thing, seat in my pants kind of thing, just kind of pulled it off. But really, really incredible. That was honestly like good ink at its finest, man. Just kind of like being flexible, willing to improv, shooting a bunch of different people. Just kind of all the way it all kind of came together was absolutely incredible. So big thanks to everyone involved with that. Down to our last day now. Excited for tomorrow. Excited to kind of close things out. I'll miss it, you know, but as of right now, I'm kind of ready to close this thing out and to shut it down. But yeah, this today was special, man. That was really, really cool. So looking forward to another great day tomorrow. But as always, appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for more content coming soon here on the channel. One more day of summer camp coming, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.